Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to change chat background on Telegram. So let's start. First open the Telegram app. When the app is opened, tap on the three bars on top left corner and then go to Settings. Now tap on Chat Settings. And here you will see Change Chat Background. Tap on that. From here you can select color as your chat background. You can also select a photo from your gallery. As well as if you scroll down you will see a lot of presets to use. I'll select one from this preset. I'll select this coffee bean one. You can select blurred or motion at the bottom of the screen. After previewing, if you like this photo, then tap on Set Background at the bottom of the screen. And your chat background is now set. Now go to the home screen and open a conversation. But you have to remember that you cannot set an individual chat background for each conversation. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.